Hey guys, so today we're going to be creating this look right here. This is using the Norvina palette. So just stay tuned and we'll be creating this look together, okay? Bye. So with the Norvina palette, I'm going to open it. And this is the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. Just put that all over your, underneath your brow bone and all over your eyelid. And you are going to, just smear it well, blend it in. Get that going. Blend it in good. And now you're going to be going in with the base. The base color using the Crown eyeshadow brush. You're just going to blend it in a little bit more. And then with the Morphe E28 brush, just going to blend it in just a little bit more. With the MAC brush cleaner, I'm just cleaning my brushes. It's amazing. I'm obsessed with that brush cleaner. So I will be using two palettes here, the Norvina palette and the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. And I'm going to be using the color So Bougie. You're just going to put it all over your eyelid, the lower eyelid right there. Just sway it back and forth. Using the Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush. And now with the Luxie 231 Small Tapered Blending Brush, I'm just going to go back and forth and bring that a little higher, which is the So Bougie color. I'm just going to bring it up a little higher, just so it blends a little more up towards my brow bone. Using the Morphe M168 brush, you are going to be grabbing the color Soul from the Norvina palette and placing this on the outer V of your eye. And now you are going to be using the Luxie 141 Mini Round brush. And you are going to blend the Soul color just a little bit more with this brush. The outer V, that is. And here I have two brushes, the Morphe M578 and the M577, both Morphe. And I am actually using the M578, which is to carve out the crease and to find the lower lash line, but in this case I used it just to smudge in. And as you notice, I am actually going back in with the Morphe M168 and just doing the V again, and then going back with the M578 brush again. I just keep going back and forth until I see the blending getting better. Going back in with the Luxie 231 Small Tapered Blending Brush. Just blending it in a little bit more. I know you guys are tired of probably hearing this blend, blend, blend. But blending is the key. And now with the NYX Glitter Primer, I love this stuff. It works like a charm. It keeps every little glitter in place. You just put a little pea amount on your hand, just a little bit. That is all you need, I promise. It goes a long way. Now using the Morphe R42 brush, you're going to dab that into the primer And you're going to put it in the inner corner all the way to the upper lash line, middle upper lash line, using the color Summer. Make sure you blend in very, very good. This is like very important here because if not, the glitter will get like clumpy. So you may have to make sure that you just blend out really, really well. Even if it takes like 10 brushes, but make sure you blend it out well. Blend it into the other color, which is the Soul color. Now go in with the Luxie 141 mini round brush and just blend in. Again, put a little bit more Soul on there. And using the Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush again and blending up a little higher towards my brow bone. Make sure you blend into the crease. Go back and forth into the crease. Bring it up a little bit higher. Smile for the camera. Here I have two primers, the Touch in Soul Noirpur Blem primer and the Cover FX primer. Here I'm just going to use the Cover FX primer, just put a little bit all over my face, and this actually just minimizes the appearance of pores. Oh, and also the fine lines. It creates a flawless look. And now using the Touch in Soul Liquid Foundation number 23 Natural Beige. I have 3 big fluffy brushes here. Actually 2 and 1 small one. But you can use any blending bouncy brush. And I actually bought mine at Target. And we're just going to dip that into the foundation and just spot your face. Like a Dalmatian. And with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Cream Brulee, you are going to go underneath your eyes, the bridge of your nose, Cupid's bow, and the forehead. Blend it in with our fluffy, fluffy brush, bouncy brush. And now using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, we are going to contour our face. Yay! This is the light to medium contour palette. And I am using the Morphe M579 brush. Using the Cream Shop contour brush, we're going to use our contour brush to blend that in. And this just gives it a seamless look. Just blends it in really well. And now using the Laura Mercier Oleander blush, using the Morphe PK4 brush, we're just going to blend it on our cheeks and make it pink. And now using the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten, we are going to put that as well, just because I like my cheeks really pink. And now to use what gives me life is the Anastasia Glow Kit. And I am going to be using the color Sunburst and Bubbly. But first, we use the Prep Prime Spray sprayed on our brush. And then we just put it in mix it together, and just highlight your face. Yay! Woohoo! Now using the Morphe M168 brush and the NYX glitter primer, we're just going to put a little bit, put our brush into it, and use the color from the Norvina palette, Dreamer, and we are going to use that in the inner corner and our tear duct and the lower lash line. 3 places. And now with the Luxie 141 mini round brush, going in with the color Soul, we're going to put that on our lower lash line. And now with the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder, this is number 147 Matte About It. Using the Morphe E25 brush, we're just going to dip it in and set it wherever I put my concealer. So wherever you put your concealer is where you put the translucent powder. Now using the NYX Matte Lip Liner, Soft Spoken, we are going to outline the lips. Juicy lips. And now using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, the color Budapest, we are going to put this all over our juicy lips. Don't forget to make them look like Selena lips. Or even better, Miranda lips. And now you'll be using the NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner. This is to create the beautiful wing, the cat eye look, the seductive look, the sexy look. Can't forget the Asian look. And now to curl your lashes. Guys, so my camera actually died, so I had to charge a little bit, but I just wanted to show you the final look. And I hope you like it. I hope that you can maybe use it one day or create it one day. And so again, the palette that I used was the, what palette was it, Maya?
Norvina.
Norvina palette. There you go. And that was actually a Christmas present for my cousin Roxy. Thank you, Roxy. And I'll see you guys later. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Amaya, you want to do my makeup one day?
Yes.
Are you going to do a good job?
Yes.
Okay, I trust you. Okay? Alright guys, well I hope you liked this video again and give it a thumbs up. Right, Maya? Thumbs up, thumbs up. Maya? Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay, bye.